Breastfeeding is a beautiful and natural experience, but for many new moms, it can also feel overwhelming. While every mother and baby is different, there are some common breastfeeding mistakes that new moms often make, especially in the early weeks. Understanding these mistakes can help you feel more confident and enjoy a smoother breastfeeding journey. One common mistake is waiting too long to start breastfeeding. Breastfeeding works best when started within the first hour after birth, if possible. Early feeding helps stimulate milk production and allows your baby to learn how to latch while their natural reflexes are strong. Another frequent mistake is improper latching. A shallow latch can cause nipple pain, cracking, and poor milk transfer. Many new moms think discomfort is normal, but ongoing pain is a sign something isn't right. A good latch means your baby takes a large portion of the areola into their mouth, not just the nipple. Many mothers also worry that their baby isn't getting enough milk. This fear often leads to unnecessary formula supplementation. In most cases, frequent feeding, wet diapers, and steady weight gain are signs your baby is getting enough breast milk. Supplementing too early can reduce your milk supply. Skipping feeds or following a strict feeding schedule is another common mistake. Newborns need to feed frequently, sometimes every 1 to 2 hours. Feeding on demand helps build and maintain a healthy milk supply and ensures your baby's needs are met. Poor positioning during breastfeeding can also create challenges. If you're uncomfortable, your baby may struggle to feed effectively. Finding a comfortable position with proper support for your back, arms, and baby can make a big difference. Some new moms stop breastfeeding too soon because of challenges like sore nipples, engorgement, or cluster feeding. These issues are usually temporary and improve with time and support. Seeking help from a lactation consultant or healthcare provider can prevent unnecessary early weaning. Another mistake is neglecting self-care. Breastfeeding requires energy and hydration. Not eating enough, drinking too little water, or ignoring rest can affect milk supply and overall well-being. Finally, comparing your breastfeeding journey to others can create unnecessary stress. Social media and advice from others may not reflect what's best for you and your baby. Trust your body, listen to your baby, and seek professional guidance when needed. Breastfeeding is a learning process for both mom and baby. Mistakes are normal, and every feeding is a step toward confidence. With patience, support, and the right information, you can overcome challenges and build a healthy breastfeeding routine that works for you.